Welcome back to another very exciting episode of Modded Motors. As you can tell from the thumbnail, we've just hit 10,000. If you look down below, it should say 10,000. Already filmed this intro. Then I went to go edit my full montage and I decided to come back and refilm my intro because I don't know, it did something for me. For my smaller creators, just so you guys know, only 8.86% of people ever make it to 1,000 subscribers on their channel. To be at 10,000, to readjust some people's perspective, or maybe you're not familiar with the analytics or how this works, only 1.75% of channels on YouTube ever make it to 10,000 subscribers. I think things get diluted as you watch other bigger creators, like that becomes the standard, but it should be no standard for 10,000 people to be subscribed and committed to your content. If you're over that 1,000 subscriber mark, or if you ever thought about content creation, please keep pushing. We have 100,000 monthly viewers. We are beating every record for any month we've ever been on YouTube in this month right now. And only 0.77% of channels do 100,000 plus views a month. We're in a very, very small bracket. And I don't know, I feel like I tried to downplay it this first time recording this intro because, you know, there's other channels that are much bigger. Yeah. And I always keep saying, like, we're a smaller channel, but to get to this point, to get to where we're at, just made me recalibrate and truly appreciate how far we've come. You're gonna see the whole 4 years of our life summed up into like a few minutes, but from the deepest part of our hearts, we truly appreciate you. I truly appreciate how you guys have changed my life more than what you guys know. I used to say this in my earlier videos, but you will never truly understand how much I greatly appreciate you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy the montage and stick around to the end because we announce the tune giveaway winner. Yeah. 1, 2. Alright, we have literally 0 followers right now. 0 followers, subscribers.
Why would you say that?
It's true, it's true. So, like, you know, as we grow, you
yeah.
Ask the questions. We said at the end of the bloopers, Crystal is pregnant.
Hold on, fool. Yeah.
So we wanted to do a video on why you should buy an Alfa from Giulia right now.
Welcome back to another episode of Modded Motors. I'm gonna open up the video today just because I missed you guys.
Okay, so welcome back to Modded Motors.
Chasing after all.
Alrighty, and Crystal is doing her side now.
Such a crazy world, you'll see. We're all chasing after our end, chasing after our ends. It's just around the bend.
I'm trying to make this quick because my battery is almost dead. But I want to leave this in here for anybody who is kind of contemplating pursuing their dreams. 4 or 5 years ago, before I started content, I was in one trajectory of my life where I was never going to be in automotive industry. I was going down a completely different path. And obviously I loved cars. I love working on my own cars. I've been obsessed with cars since I can remember. You guys know the story. I met my wife, Crystal, and she pushed me into creating content. I remember literally 4 or 5 years ago where I was watching people on my phone at work, watching them come to SEMA and be content creators. Now on the flip reverse of it, I'm here filming some pretty cool cars. I made a tweak in my life, obviously with the support of my wife, but I made a tweak in my life to do something different, and my life has drastically changed forever over the last 4 or 5 years. Modded Wear is officially a 6-figure business. I've got to fly to different states for automotive content. I'm here at SEMA with some cars I probably never would have saw if I didn't jump into my dream and my passion. So my message to you is push for your dream. Go out there and achieve whatever you want to go achieve. Your dreams can literally be one decision away. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that as much as we enjoyed it. It was really,
cried,
yeah.
so.
I cried maybe a few times.
We cried a lot.
Took me a little bit longer than it was supposed to edit it. You have literally watched the birth of my 2 children. You've seen me go from apartment to apartment to house. You guys have seen me purchase multiple different cars. You've seen me grow up, if you will, over the last 4 years. Yeah, it's surreal that I've put my entire life on the internet to be viewed.
It's a little weird.
But when you look back, I can appreciate that every moment has been on camera. You can just appreciate it just a little bit sweeter. All right, we are going to pick the next winner. This is the video. You guys can see me do this live. But before we get into this, I want to remind you guys of our sponsor of today's video, which is Vincent at Northwestern Mutual. Vincent is a financial planner. Maybe you're trying to financially plan for a tune or some more modifications. You should definitely hit Vincent up to plan for your future. Down in the description below is a very short form, only asks a handful of questions to set you up with a 30-minute consultation. We highly recommend Vincent. You should definitely sign up. The 30 minutes can save you a lot for your future. And here we're going to get into the winner right now. Thank you again, Vincent, for sponsoring today's video.
We got the YouTube link.
Include replies, whatever. Yep.
Load 100.
224 comments loaded.
Aye.
224 people are entered.
What?
Wow, free tune. You guys keep pushing it. I would flip out over winning anything. Good luck to everyone.
Aww. Here's your winner.
Here's the other thing. I see this person comment all the time, so I truly, truly appreciate the effort that you put in, not just this video, but every video that we post. So you are officially the winner. The Toxic MID, is that I'm saying right? And
Toxic Mid.
Toxic Mid. All right, we'll hit you up. Congratulations on winning your tune. And if you're thinking to yourself, now I'm going to unsubscribe to this guy, please, God, don't do that. There's still 10 giveaway winners this month alone, and we're going to try to do a giveaway every single month to give back to you guys. Again, the monetization money we're making for this, we want to give to you guys.
Yes.
We do want to keep it. We want you guys to win. So hopefully next month, maybe there's another tune. Ooh, maybe we come back to this video. Ooh, who knows?
A lot of surprises.
A lot of surprises. When we ask you guys to do something, you guys follow through and commit to do it. We truly appreciate it. So I will say we may go back. Everyone in this comment just told me that they don't have a tune and they need a tune. So we may come back to this video. But yeah, anytime you guys do something, like even go see our sponsors or do something we need for you guys to do, there are people that I've just covered the oil changes because they've used our sponsors. Anytime you utilize our sponsors, we truly appreciate it, and we'd love to show the support back and give back to you guys. But yes, we are doing more giveaways, and we should have a giveaway hopefully starting next month. I just gotta rearrange them. So I got, we gotta figure out our lives all the time.
Congratulations.
We are still in the middle of Vlogmas. What is Vlogmas? If you comment on every single video for the month of December, you are entered to win some very cool stuff. It's over like what, $1,000, $1,500 in prizes for this month. It's a whole bunch of free stuff that you guys can win. With the most expensive being brake pads, monochromatic badges, really cool stuff. So again, every month, the more we grow, the more you grow in your pockets, all right? This is where we're gonna end today's video. Tomorrow's video, I think, should be a product launch, unless my days are mixed up. But we should have a product launch video this week for you guys, nonetheless. At the very closing of my clip, after you guys know I usually play a blooper, I'm gonna play just a small clip of a video that me and Crystal have been making a series, not for you guys, but I'm gonna show you a glimpse of it, but for our children when they're older. And so we have hours of footage of me and Crystal I figured I'd just show you guys a glimpse of it just because I was going through footage and I thought it was pretty cool. So the concept is to record videos for them that they can watch when they're older. But hope this was food for thought. We appreciate you guys. We love you guys. We'll see you in the next one. I want it on camera. You think it's a boy or a girl?
Boy.
What do you think, or what do you want it to be?
Both. Both boys.
You think it's a boy and you want it to be and you want it to be a boy?
I have a feeling it's gonna be a girl because I want a
that same
boy
feeling.
so bad.
I want a boy, but I have a feeling it's gonna be a girl.
Yeah.
I don't know why. You are how many weeks old? You're a few weeks old.
We
still haven't found a heartbeat yet.
I would say like 4 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks old.
We have to go back to the doctors in a few days. We're in Disney World. Your mom's trying to drink alcohol and stuff. I've told her to stop.
He's the one telling me to drink.
She messed up, dude. She's trying to drink like caffeine and stuff. But anyways,
I'm allowed to have caffeine.
I saved your guys' lives. So
one person. Well, I saved your life. I saved your guys's.
We don't know if they're twins yet, so.
I forgot.